Hello everyone, I am Abdul Mateen. As experienced teacher of chemistry certification, IGCSE, O-level, A-level and university studies such as BBA and MBA in accounting, business, economics and commerce. I'm excited to announce my YouTube channel that is free of cost. My motive is that to provide education, to give education to everyone free of cost who is not willing to afford it. In this channel, I will be sharing my worth of knowledge, insights and expertise that I have gained from past 23 years of teaching in famous schools, colleges and universities. My goal is to provide you practical and relevant information that will boost your result, academic goal and career aspiration. If you're a student, professional or just someone who want to gain knowledge in this field, then you have come to the right place. Come and join my YouTube channel and start an exciting journey of knowledge, learning and growth. Thank you very much.